People often believe that change must be slow, a gradual process involving years of journaling, morning routines, and repeating daily affirmations. But what if transformation could happen faster? What if there were a straightforward method capable of flipping your entire life within a few short weeks? That method exists. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through it step by step. No dragging things out. No dramatic build-up. Just a sudden, powerful shift. And once it hits, everything changes. It feels almost illegal, not because it's wrong, but because it disrupts the usual pace of the world. Society expects transformation to crawl along, to take months or even years. But when you turn your life around in just 8 weeks, it raises eyebrows. It seems suspicious, but it's not magic. It's not some overhyped discipline strategy. It's a formula, a real one. Here's how it works. Step 1, trigger the shift. You need to do something physical and permanent. Something bold that marks the death of your old self. Shave your head, cut off bad habits, post something that can't be undone, relocate. It has to shake you. That discomfort is your message to yourself and everyone else that there's no turning back. Step 2 is vision. You have to figure out what you want, even if it's not fully formed yet. Get it out of your head and into the world. Write it, sketch it, talk about it. Don't wait for it to be perfect, clarity comes later. But you can't rebuild your life without some blueprint, even a rough one. Vision comes first. Step 3 is clarity. Take that rough vision and break it down into small, doable steps. What's the very first one you can aim for? Then work backward. What skills do you need? What distractions need to go? Build a plan that's frictionless, something that removes doubt and guesswork. Make your next move obvious. Step 4, build an alter ego. Create a version of yourself that borrows from the people you admire. The focus of a pro athlete, the peace of a monk, the fire of a startup founder. Give this version a name, a full identity. When it's time to take action, step into that character. You're not pretending, you're training until it becomes second nature. Step 5, urgency. Your window is 8 weeks. That's it, not later. Now, move fast. Say yes to everything that pushes you. You're not chasing perfection, you're chasing pressure. Speed drowns doubt. Action reshapes identity. The clock is ticking. Treat it like it matters. That's the formula. Pull the trigger. Implement it.